Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create effective software development workflows in Asana, the complete 2025 guide. The first step in setting up your workflow is to create a new project. In Asana, you do this by going to the sidebar, clicking on the plus sign, and selecting Project. Now, why is this important? Well, a project is where all the work happens. It's a dedicated space for all your tasks, ideas, and discussions related to a particular initiative. Now that we've done that, let's move on to customizing your project. You can choose a template or start from scratch, but remember, your project should reflect your software development cycle. This helps us because it ensures that every phase of your workflow is visually represented, making it easier to track progress. Next up, we add tasks. To do this, click on the plus Add Task option. Each task should represent a single piece of work that needs to be done. Be sure to add a description, due date, and assign it to a team member. The reason we do this is to ensure clarity on who is responsible for what and by when, crucial for seamless collaboration. Having added our tasks, it's time to group them into sections. This is done by clicking on the Add Section button. Sections help us organize tasks into logical groups, often representing different stages of the project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you create sections, you're essentially crafting a visual roadmap of your software development process. Now let's talk about dependencies. In Asana, you can set up dependencies by clicking on a task and selecting Mark as Dependent On. This helps us because it streamlines your workflow by clearly showing the sequence of tasks and preventing work from starting too early. Let me explain why this matters. Dependencies ensure that your team follows the right order of tasks, avoiding bottlenecks and ensuring smooth progression. Lastly, remember to utilize Asana's automation feature. You can automate repetitive actions, like moving tasks to the next section when they're completed. This ensures efficiency and saves time for what really matters, developing great software. And there you have it, a streamlined, visually clear, and efficient workflow for your software development in Asana. Remember, the key to a successful workflow is in its simplicity and clarity, so keep refining until it works perfectly for your team. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.